Hello, Yellow 4 friends. Here is Miss Culberson with the activity of the day for December 10th, 2020. And it's science time. For this activity, you're going to need water, cooking oil, and vinegar, and also 3 different containers. So in the first container, you're going to pour water. In the second container, you're going to pour some oil. And in the third container, you're going to pour some white vinegar. And after that, you are going to put 1 candy cane in each container. But wait, before you do all that, think about it. What would happen if you put a candy cane on water? Think about it. Is it something going to happen to it? What about if you put a candy cane on oil? What would happen? What would happen if you put a candy cane on vinegar? Is it going to change? If you don't know the meaning of the word dissolve, today is a very good day for you to ask mom and dad. And now go ahead and put your candy canes on the 3 containers. And through the day, observe if there are any changes. And don't forget to tell mom and dad to text me with your predictions and your observations. I can't wait to hear and read what you discovered today. I'll send you a big hug right now. And I love you, all of you, my favorite scientists. See you later, Yellow 4.